Hello everyone! Today we want to teach you about how environmental engineers protect public and ecological health. Environmental engineering is a subfield of engineering that specializes in solving complex environmental issues like the Salton Sea. Engineers follow a design process to help them tackle hard problems. The engineering design process starts with first asking a question. What's the problem? Can we fix it? And how can we fix it? Second, you want to imagine the possible solutions and make the best choice. Third, make a plan and work out all the impacts your plan will have on the environment and the community. After establishing a good plan, you want to create it. Lastly, you want to improve your design. Make it work, then make it better, then make it bigger. Here's the scientists. They use the scientific method instead of the engineering process. They often discover the problems that engineers need to solve and help engineers with many of their solutions. Here's an engineer. He'll ask the scientist questions while he's planning and more questions while he's improving his design. In this video, we want to show how environmental engineers use the engineering design process to solve a complex problem like the Salton Sea. The problem we're going to introduce is the Salton Sea. It's currently the largest lake in California and was made in 1905 when a channel off the Colorado River broke and flooded the basin. After 2 years of constant flooding, the Salton Sea was made and it became a popular destination for vacationers, farmers, and birds alike. Over 400 bird species can be spotted at the sea, and many of them live there year-round. And it was once a productive fishery, though now the fish have a few problems. Currently, the Salton Sea is a bit of a mess. The lack of inflows and extreme heat in the region have made the sea shrink and become more salty. In addition, the lake has built up hazardous pollutants over time. There are often massive fish die-offs due to pollution, and the seabed, if exposed to air, could produce dust that is hazardous to both people and birds. The wildlife need cleaner water, and the community needs protection from the dust. But because of the drought, we can't just add more water, so we need to imagine more creative solutions. The Salton Sea is perfect for geothermal energy that we can use to fund other projects. And the wetlands that help clean the water and cover the dust can also become a habitat for the birds with no additional cost. Before we create what we imagined, we have to plan. If we try to create first, this could happen. To plan, think about the requirements and long-term impacts of the project. Those ideas that we imagined earlier are actually being implemented, and here are some examples of real plans. The Sunny Bono Salton Sea National Wildlife Refuge was established in the 1930s as a sanctuary for breeding birds and other wildlife. At present, about 2,000 acres are farmed and managed for wetlands. The Red Hill Bay project is going to cover 420 acres of exposed lake bed with water from the Salton Sea and nearby Alamo River, creating a wetland habitat for migratory birds and suppressing toxic dust that would otherwise pollute the air. Then there's the Salton Sea known geothermal resource area, and it has the most geothermal capacity in the United States and is already home to 10 geothermal plants with plenty of room for more. When you solve problems as an engineer, you must first ask questions about the problem, do your research. Then you want to imagine an awesome but practical solution. Then you want to plan things out. After planning, you'll create your awesome idea, and you'll turn this into this, and turn a dusty shoreline into a refuge. And that's how environmental engineers use the design process to protect the health of people, animals, and the environment.